found the bottom. Here. Let's just... You can just stay behind me. What the heck is this? Oh, there's another place to go down. Another plate? Yo, okay. I didn't start recording, but there was like 5 drops before this. And we were already at the bottom of mines. We have to be like 1,000 meters down. Okay, this is... Please tell me this is... If we have to go this far for planetarium, I'm gonna... Oh, uh-oh. Go down, keep going. Lava! Whoa! Hang on. This is like crazy. How does their map go this far? Can you... I'm gonna go. You make sure to stay behind me, alright? Alright. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. No. Alright, alright, alright. There is ores down here. What are those? Whoa, 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 whoa. It's targeting me. What the heck? Oh, whoa, whoa. Come down to where I am, revive me. Right here, over here, to your right. What the heck is this? Ooh, careful. No. Are those the shiny red ores one guy was talking about today? No, I died. I died. Yeah, well, I'm dead. You have to... Pretty please. Pretty please. 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 Quickly before it rises again. Quick. Yes. No. No. I died again. No. No. Yes, you can. Please. Because if I get revived, then you die. Get behind a wall, behind a wall, behind a wall. Get behind a wall. What is that? Behind a wall. We need a wall. Please, please. Oh my gosh. No, we're never going to get back down here. Well, this is the one time we're ever going to be this deep in the map. So, good job, Animal Company, for making your map this big.